Hello everyone, welcome to Data Mastery with Big Man, teaching excellence, mastery and innovation. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. A drop-down list allows users to choose from predefined options instead of typing manually. This helps reduce errors and makes data entry faster and more professional. Let's get started. Now I have a simple data here where I have my student name and their mode of learning. To create a simple drop down list now in this my given data, what you do is you come to an empty cell, and because this my empty cell where I have my mode of learning, right? This is where I want to create my drop down list. I'll be giving drop down lists to my student names. Now the first thing to do is highlight where you want your drop down list. Now I want my drop down list from John to Favor. In my B cell, my A cells is where I have my student names. Then my B cell is where I have their mode of learning. So I'll be giving them a simple drop down list for their mode of learning. Now after highlighting it, you click on data on your toolbar, come down and click on validity. Then a box will appear where you see allow. You see all values. Click on the drop down arrow. Another list box will appear. You search for list. Click on list. After clicking on list, entries, an entry box will be there for you to type their mode of learning. Now offline, enter online, enter hybrid, enter. Now you click OK. When you click OK, you can see at the right hand side of my data set, you can see a simple arrow. That is our drop down list I created for each of these students. Now for John, I'll click on the drop down arrow here. It will bring out a box where I have offline, online and hybrid. So for John, I'm giving him offline. Come to another empty cell for Melvin, I'm giving him hybrid. Come to another empty cell, I'm giving Tammy online. You come to another empty cell, I'm giving Joel online. You come to the final one, which is Favor, I'm giving her offline. Now this is how you create a simple drop down list. Instead of typing manually, users can now simply select an option from the drop down list. This improves accuracy and consistency. Now drop down list can be used for gender, male or female, attendance, present or absent, learning mode, online or offline, payment status, paid or unpaid, class levels, GS1, GS2, GS3 and so on. Now this makes spreadsheet more organized and professional. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you now understand how to create a drop down list in Excel. Practice this feature by creating your own list for attendance, gender or learning mode. Thank you for watching and learning with Data Mastery with Big Man, teaching excellence, mastery, and innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Excel and data analysis tutorial. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your data. See you in the next lesson.